Hey guys, welcome back to the weekly dance tutorials. Once again, got my guest here, very special. It's Bree. And we're here today to show you a quick tutting / grid shifting combo. The song doesn't really matter, you can do it to any song you'd like as long as you like the song. She's gonna be my student today, so she's gonna also learn it for the very first time with you, okay? So that way we're all learning together, all right? So let's begin. Starting with both arms, you're gonna go up. So 1, okay, bend it down. 2, go 3, slide it 4, slide it 5. Very nice. Here we go. From the top again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3. Slide it up 4. Slide it up 5. Nice. And this is the part where I'm actually going a little bit in front of my other arm, if you didn't notice. So usually I have them lined up like this, but sometimes I bring it slightly forward. If you're watching it from the front, it looks like I'm just overlapping it anyway. So yeah, make sure this sliding one goes in front, okay? All right, are you ready for the next part? Okay, from here, we went boom, boom, and now we're gonna go down. All right, so this goes over, down, and from here, this one is gonna drop in front, down. Nice. All right, from the top again. 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3. Slide up, slide across, slide it down, fold it, slide it together. From this part, we're gonna go around, pray. Yeah, from here, you wanna keep your fingertips together. Boom, just like that. Here we go, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slide it down. 6. Bring it over. 7, 8, and 1. So you want to move it on and 1. Yeah, it doesn't matter which one goes where. Just open it, close it. See that? So from here, whoop, like that. Nice. So from here, this is 1, right? We're gonna go 2, make a little flower bloom, okay? From here, all you're doing is you're rolling it up and touching your elbows together, okay? And it's okay if you can't get it to touch all the way, because I know some people aren't as flexible, so it's okay if you just have it out like this, as long as the motion is still going up. All right, so from here, really try to push it up, and it should frame your face a little, okay? From here, you're gonna close. Nice. All right, so from here, 1, 2, 3, and then from here, we're gonna go 4. Make a little pointy triangle. Nice, but make sure your wrists are straight and your hands are also straight, okay? You don't want to have anything bent. So from here, just open it up. Very nice. Okay, from here, you're gonna make an X. Yeah, so slowly drop it down, stop at the wrist. Yes, from here, stop at your wrist. Perfect. Okay, let's go from the top. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. So this is 5. Okay, and then we're gonna go 6. So what you're doing is you're taking your fingertips and you're gonna line it up with your forearms. You see that? And you're making a little mountain. So from here, the X, go to your X. From the wrist, okay? Boom, just flap it down. Yeah, from here, think like a bird. Yeah, flap it down, turn it over. Okay, here, up, this way, and we're done. Let's try the whole thing from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, open it, X, flap it down, bring it over, okay, slide it out, up, bring it down, open, and then woo! Nice. That is the whole darn thing. And you could do it to any song you want. You can do it to a fast song if you want to do a little more advanced stuff, or you can do it to a slow song for more basic stuff. It's totally up to you. And you could even change it up if you want. But those are just some really basic moves that you can do anywhere. It's meant for you to just get used to moving your arms around. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial.
I also hope you did.
Let me know if it was too hard, too easy, so I can create the next tutorial based on the level of difficulty. If you have any questions regarding the tutorials or just dancing in general, you can message me on Instagram at can.poriotics. And you could check out Bree's Instagram if you want to see her stuff at Brina Elia. I'll put it all in the video. You'll see it. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Hope you had fun.